I've been seeing these videos popping up all over and getting tons of views on various media platforms. I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to make them. The first thing we need to do is make an image. We can do that with many different apps. But for this tutorial, let's use one of the easiest, Gemini. If you don't have Gemini installed as an app, you can just type Gemini in Google and you can find it there. At the prompt, type "Create me an ultra-adorable miniature green dragon, curled up gently in the palm of a human hand. Its tiny, vibrant green scales shimmer softly with delicate purple stripes, and it gazes sweetly into the camera with wide, sparkling blue eyes, full of innocence and curiosity. A tiny, playful smile lights up its precious little face. The background should be a softly blurred, sun-dappled, wooded environment to enhance the cozy, magical feel. Hyper-realistic, 4K quality. Then hit enter. If you want to be creative, just change green to whatever color you want, and instead of resting on a human palm, change it to shoulder, finger, or whatever you want. Literally, it can be a purple chicken riding a motorcycle if you want. Be creative. Once Gemini creates the pic, click download and save it to a location you can find easily. Open your browser and go to Kling AI, log in with your email and password. Click on AI videos and choose image to video. Upload the image and add a prompt like, "Slow camera push in toward a cute green dragon figurine resting on an open palm. As the camera approaches, the dragon's tiny features subtly sparkle and shift, with its tail gently curling and uncurling. The background remains softly blurred, enhancing the focus on the dragon's intricate scales and vibrant colors. Small, playful hints of light glimmer around the edges, giving a magical feel while the dragon's eyes slowly blink, adding a sense of life. Keep in mind, if you're using something other than dragon, change that also. Click Generate. Here is the amazing video. Wasn't that easy? If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe, drop a like and comment. I want to hear what creations you come up with. Let me know if this was helpful, and I'll try to make more in the future. I want to sincerely thank you so much for stopping by Green Dragon AI. Until next time, take care.